Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Music, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now we have to localize a special number which is called build number and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. So let's go back and enter the system settings and enter developer options. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can change the smallest width, you can manage some options which are connected with the networking, system tracing, etc. So all you have to do to turn on the feature is to tap on the switcher on it, and it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off just by tapping on the switcher which is pinned to the top of the list, to the top of the screen actually, and you can see that most of the options is inactive, and after getting back to the system settings, the developer options will disappear from the list. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.